Wow. This is up close and personal. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween look. I'm going to go do my foundation off camera and I'll be right back. Why do I have such a big ass forehead? Oh, it's recording. Oh, hi. So I put my hair up. I'm looking like shit. I'm going to do my eyebrows now. And I'm going to be using this Morphe 35M palette. And I'm going to be digging into that black color and doing my eyebrows. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to dig into this orange right here. And I'm just gonna contour my face, put that around my lips, contour my nose, just put that everywhere. I'm gonna get a little bit of that black color and I'm just gonna kind of contour my face just a little bit. Just going really, really lightly with that black color. And I'm gonna get a smaller brush. I'm gonna go in with that black color and I'm gonna put that on the outer corners of my lid. I'm gonna take that black and kind of dab that right here. I'm gonna dab that on the very front of my eyebrows. And go back with some orange and kind of blend that out. Now I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm going to take this Stila liquid black liner and I'm just going to kind of make some dots right here. And I'm also going to dab that with my finger so it could like blend it and make more dots. Alright, I'm going to do a quick wing. And then I'm going to go in and kind of make some lines underneath my lower lash line. So now I'm going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and put it just right here and just blend it just a little bit. And then I'm going to make some lines going down my neck. Okay, now I'm going to take this Butter London roll-on eyeliner. I'm just going to make little lines. So I'm done with the neck. I also put a little bit of dots on the outer part of my lid. I'm also gonna take that Stila liquid liner and just make a little skeleton nose. Alright, now I'm going to take some black shadow and kind of just dab over that, just so it could be kind of soft. I'm also going to put on some lipstick. This is the Kat Von D lipstick in Slayer. I love this lipstick so much. It's almost gone. I'm back. I put on my lashes. I also put on some NYX black liner on my waterline, and I added some dots around the nose, around the top, just to kind of bring it all together. So this is the whole look. I hope this was easy to follow along with. Please, if you recreate this look, send it to me, DM it to me, and I would love to post your work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.